Welcome back to the Henna Guys Frequently Asked Question. My name is Brianna, and today's question is, can you use henna on your kids? This is a multifaceted question. The technical answer is yes, you can use henna on your kids. It's completely safe, it's natural, it's healthy for their hair, healthy for anyone's hair. It's a great alternative for anyone who is using a chemical hair dye. However, there are a few things to keep in mind here. If you have kids, you probably know very well that they are changing their minds all of the time. One of the aspects of henna is that it is permanent and you cannot remove it. We don't recommend bleaching before or after henna because a lot of kids like to change their mind. Henna may not be the avenue for them. If your child is wanting to change their hair color every few days or every so often, henna might not be for them. So that's just something to consider if your kid does have a changing mind, as most kids do. The other factor is the timing and the rinse out process. So henna, to get the full color effect, can take between 1 and 3 hours. So it is kind of a long time just for a kid to potentially sit still with the henna in their hair. And the rinsing out process can be a little involved because henna is a more fibrous texture. There's some techniques that we recommend, like the mermaid rinse, filling your bathtub up, rinsing your head in that, swishing your hair around, that may be just a little bit too time consuming and too much for a kid. So all that to say, the short answer is yes, it is safe for kids, but use your judgment as a parent, knowing the kind of nuances of henna if it is right for your child. That's it for this frequently asked question. Stay tuned for more from the Henna Guys.